Hello and welcome to SmartQuizBuilder. My name is Veena Prashant. I am the creator of this plugin. SmartQuizBuilder, fondly known as SQB, is one of the most powerful, customizable, and easy to use quiz and survey plugin for WordPress. SQB will allow you to generate high quality leads, more sales, and segment your audience so you can deliver the right message to the right person at the right time. Now, so many successful marketers such as Amy Porterfield, Jenna Kutcher, Ramit Sethi, they all use quizzes to learn more about their target audience, and they use their answers to generate a personalized recommendation. These are the kind of quizzes that you can easily add to your homepage, to your sales page, to your blog, to your opt-in page. SmartQuizBuilder has the best combination of price, features, and flexibility. You can use SQB to create all types of quizzes, personality quizzes, assessments, multiple choice, yes, no answers, true, false answers, scoring quizzes, surveys. So a quiz in SQB has 4 key elements, and this applies to all the quizzes. There's the start screen, then the question answer screen, then the lead generation screen, and the outcome screen. Let me give you a quick demo of what a SQB powered quiz looks like in the front end. So when you create a quiz in SQB, it will give you a shortcode. So here you can see I have inserted the shortcode right here. You can insert it anywhere you want on a WordPress page. Now let me show you what it looks like in the front end. Alright, so you can see here in the front end, the shortcode has been replaced by the quiz. Now everything that you see here is fully customizable. This is the quiz title. I'm using a GIF. You can use plain text, you can use just a regular image, or you can use video. So that's completely up to you. It's fully customizable. I'm going to click on take this quiz button to take the quiz. So this is the first question screen, and there is an image here. You don't have to use an image. You can just use plain text or a video or a GIF. And these are the answer choices. Now here I have configured SQB to display a next button on each question screen. I have done this because this is an assessment quiz. I want users to see the correct answer on each screen and then click on next button to go to the next question. But you don't have to do it this way. If you don't want to display a correct answer on each screen and you don't want to display a next button, you can configure it off in the back end. This way your users don't have to click on the next button to get to the next question. Also, I have configured SQB to display the correct answer on each question screen after they select an answer choice. But you don't have to do it this way. You can have SQB display the correct answers and the incorrect answers on the final results screen. And if you want to do it in both places, if you want to display it after each question and also on the final results screen, you can do that as well. You can configure this at quiz level, so you can use different configuration for different quizzes. So I'm going to click on the next button to go to the next question. I'm going to select an incorrect answer here just to show you what it looks like. So this is the incorrect answer message. I have configured this in the back end. I'm going to just go ahead and complete this quiz. And all of this is fully configurable in the back end. So after all the questions, you can display an opt-in form. Now in my case, I was displaying the correct answer after each question. But instead of that, if you just display it on the final results screen, you can have users opt in to see the result. You can connect SQB to your email marketing platform. So when users are added here, they will be added to your email platform. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and opt in here. That's it. And you can see here, this is the result. And it says you got 4 out of 5 correct. And here I'm using a GIF. You don't have to. You can use a regular image or nothing at all. And you can see here, I have configured SQB to display this on the final screen as well. That's why it's showing all the correct and incorrect answers here. The incorrect answer has a different color than the correct answers, and these colors are customizable in the back end. And there is a share button that will allow your users to share their results on social. And everything that is being shared is also fully customizable in the back end. This image, the title, everything is customizable. So they can share the content to Facebook. And when someone clicks on the shared content in Facebook, you can have them be redirected back to your main quiz page. Now I'm going to give you a quick demo of a personality quiz created using SQB. Now I recently came across a really cool infographic. So I decided to make a quiz out of it. So you can see here there is a branching logic here. When users answer a question, instead of the same next question, the answer dictates the next question that they see. So I wanted to create a similar quiz using SQB, a quiz with branching logic where the answer dictates the next question. And these are the different types of possible outcomes based on the answer. So I have created this quiz using SQB. So let me show you how it looks. Alright, you can see here this quiz I created using SmartQuizBuilder, and this is the start screen. You don't have to use a start screen if you just want to use a button and connect this button directly to the questions. You can do that too. But I'm using a start screen with the quiz title at the top. a GIF here. Again, you don't have to use a GIF. You can use plain image. You can use videos. All right, so I'm going to click on the Take This Quiz button. This is the first question. You can see here there is a progress bar at the top. This is configurable in the back end. The quiz title shows up here. So these are the possible answers. This is a personality quiz, so there are no correct answers. So that's why there is no next button here. When users select any one of the answer options, they will be sent to the next question. The next question they see is dependent on the answer because this is a branching quiz. I'll show you my setup in the back end in a little bit, but let me complete this quiz. So I'm going to select this option. And I'm going to just go ahead and answer the rest of the questions. That's it. So the quiz is complete, but before the result is displayed, users need to enter their name and email. So I'm going to enter my name and email. All right, so this is the final result screen. And this is all customizable in the back end. In fact, if you don't want to send them to a result screen, but redirect them to a completely different page based on their answer, you can redirect them wherever you want them to go when they opt in. It says your result type is this. It figures out the result type based on the answers. I'll show you my setting in a bit, but this is the content I have configured in the back end. And this is the call to action. This one is configured to send users back to my home page, but again, you can send them back wherever you want. All of this text, colors, everything is fully customizable. Even though it's a complex quiz with branching logic, with multiple outcomes, it's really easy to create a quiz like this using SQB. So now let me take you to the back end to show you my setup. This is the back end of SQB, and you can see here in the basic settings tab, I have given my quiz a name, quiz description. I have selected the type of quiz as personality. Under display settings, there are some more options that you can customize, and there are several templates as well. Now this is the start screen. So as you can see, there is the start screen, outcome. Now even though the outcome in a personality quiz shows up at the end, you need to create them before you create the questions, and that's because each answer needs to be correlated to a specific outcome. That will allow SQB to figure out, based on the answers, what the outcome type should be. That's why you need to create all possible outcomes first and then create the questions. All right, so this is the start screen. This is how I have set this up. And as I mentioned before, you can use a video here. There is a video element here. So you can use a video or you can use regular image. So this is the title of the quiz. Here is the description of the quiz. All of this is click and edit. You can change it to anything you want. There is a Take This Quiz button. Again, there is a button customizer that will allow you to customize the colors. And if you just want to display a Take This Quiz button and not this entire screen, you can click on this to change the template. All right, moving on to the outcome. So here you can see I have created 5 different outcomes, and each outcome screen is fully customizable. You can see here the outcome title, and this merge tag will be replaced in the front end with the outcome title based on the answers. And all of this information that you see here is fully customizable. You can click and edit and change it. And this button text as well, this is a call to action on the final outcome page. Connect this to whatever you want. So you can click on add new outcome to add as many new outcomes as you want. Here you can see I have created 5 possible outcomes. All right, so let's take a look at the questions and answers. So here I have 11 questions. Now, not everyone is going to see all of these questions because this is a branching quiz. I have set up the branching logic in the quiz funnels page. I'll show you how that works. But first you need to create all the questions and then you can set up your branching logic. So let me show you how the question needs to be set up in SQB. So this is the question screen. You can add your question here. This is the question title. This is an image. You can change this to whatever you want. You don't even have to use an image. You can just hide the image. You can add a description if you want or just hide it. And these are the possible answers, and you can add as many answers as you want. You can use images for your answers. Right here you can check the box. So you can use different types of layouts. I'm just going to use this option. And here under connect to outcome, I have connected it to different outcomes. Because this is a personality quiz, so you need to tell SQB what each answer means. So you need to correlate each answer to one or more outcomes like I have done here. So this will allow SQB to filter and figure out the final outcome type based on the answers. So connect each answer to the right outcome type simply by checking one or more boxes here. So this is how you can create your questions in SQB, pretty straightforward. So I have done that. I have, as you can see, I have 11 questions. So I will show you the branching logic and how I have created it in a bit. Let's go ahead and take a look at the lead generation screen. So after users answer all the questions, they will be sent to the lead generation screen. This is again fully customizable. Everything that you see here, including the text, all this is fully customizable in the back end. Now going back to the outcome screen, if you do not want to send users to the outcome screen but redirect them to a specific page, you can do that too. If users get this outcome, you want to send them to a specific page, you can select this option and specify the URL of the page to which you want to redirect them on your site. So you don't have to send them to an outcome screen. So that's one of the things you can do at outcome level in the outcome tab, and also the outcome tags. You can assign different tags to your users based on the outcome. So what this will allow you to do is add these users to your email platform with the right tag, and then you can use the tags to segment, and then you can send different personalized follow-up emails to your participants based on the answers. And that's it. It's really straightforward. Create your start screen, set up your outcome, set up the question and answers, set up the lead generation, and you don't have to customize it much. It looks great by default. And when you're done, in the final tab, SQB will give you a shortcode. All you have to do is copy this and paste it wherever you want the quiz to show up on your WordPress page. So you can insert it anywhere on your WordPress page and you will have a quiz. So now let me show you how to set up the branching logic. You can click on this to set up your branching logic, or you can go directly to the quiz funnels page to add it. Alright, so this is the quiz funnels page. Here's where you can do your branching logic. I have selected my quiz from this drop down. I have activated branching logic here. So here we have different nodes for each one of the questions, and these are the answer choices. So I'm going to use this icon here to zoom into each question. So if they answer notepad, for example, I connect them to this next question. This is the question they will see. And if they select napkin, for example, this is the question that they are going to see. So the answer dictates the next question. So for example, say that to change the world for the better is one of the options, but when they select this option, that's it. It should end the quiz and I want to show them the outcome. Then you don't have to connect this node to any other question. So say that you want to disconnect this node, this connection, and connect this answer to a different question. Then just right click. It will show you an X icon here. Click on it. It will disconnect it. If you want people that answer notepad to see this question next, you can just drag it from here and drop it right here. That's it. So now when people answer notepad, they are going to see this next question. If they answer Evernote, for example, they will see this as the next question. So you can use SQB to build really smart marketing quizzes where instead of presenting the same question to everyone, regardless of the answer, you can build a smart quiz where the question depends on their previous answer. Also, branching logic is optional. You don't have to activate branching if you just want to present questions in a certain order like this. When they answer question 1, they will be sent to question number 2. You can click on rearrange questions to rearrange the order of the questions, but everyone will be presented the same questions when they answer the previous one. So if you don't want to activate branching, that's fine too. But if you want to activate branching, it's really easy to do this using the branching logic feature in SQB. SQB also supports scoring quizzes. You can use it to test someone's knowledge of a topic. You can set up point values for each answer choice, and the final outcome is based on the total number of points the students get. You can also use SQB to create all types of surveys. Here you can see under the basic settings, I have selected the type as survey, and it also has 4 screens like any other quiz: start, outcome, questions, lead generation. And the start screen, you don't have to use this entire start screen. You can just use a button like this for your survey. That's completely up to you. Everything that you see here is all fully customizable. Next is the outcome screen. This is a survey. There are no outcomes. So the outcome title just says thank you. And you can add whatever message you want in this screen. Everything is click and edit. You can use a GIF or an image or a video. Here I am using a GIF. And questions. So here I have 5 questions. I have actually implemented skip logic here. So if their answer choice is any of this other than recommended by someone, they're all going to see question number 2. But if they select recommended by someone as their answer choice, the next question that they are going to see is question number 5. So it says, do you mind telling us who recommended us to you? So first you need to create all of your questions, and then you can implement the skip logic in the quiz funnels page where you can connect an answer choice to a completely different question. So this is the quiz funnels page. You can see here, these are the 5 questions. And the way I have connected it is all of these answer choices leads them to this next question. But if they pick recommended by someone, I want them to see this question next. But after this, it follows the same path. So I'll connect it back here. So then they will see this question next. So this is the skip logic where all of these answer choices skip this question. They go straight to this question, but this answer choice results in this question. SQB is loaded with features. Let me just quickly show you some of the other cool things you can do. You can add a little personal touch by personalizing the questions or the outcome using the first name of the participants. You can configure SmartQuizBuilder to ask for first name when they start the quiz. SQB integrates with all leading email marketing platforms such as Aweber, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, Drip, MailChimp, and more direct integrations are coming soon. You can also set up marketing automations by connecting SQB with Zapier. SQB also has a direct integration with digitalaccesspass.com, which is our membership plugin for WordPress. You can segment your leads based on the outcome. You can assign different tags based on the outcome, and you can send the tag to your email platform. Your prospects will be added to the configured list with the right tag. You can also use the tag in your email platform to send your users the right follow-up emails based on the result. Alright, now let's talk analytics. You can track everything. You can fully track the performance of your quizzes and gain valuable insights that can help you tailor your marketing efforts to be more effective. Now here are some of the key stats that you can track for each one of your quizzes. Page views. You'll be able to track how many people visited the page where you have the quiz. Clicks. How many clicked on the Take This Quiz button on the page where you have the quiz. Completed. How many people actually answered all the questions? Opted in. How many people opted in after they took the quiz? Reached the outcome. How many people actually saw the results screen? Clicked on the outcome CTA. How many people actually clicked on the button on the results screen? SQB also tracks and stores lead information. You will be able to find their contact information, you will find their answers to different questions, and also the results they got. SQB also provides detailed tracking for each quiz. What that means is you can track how many times each question was answered and how many times each answer choice was picked. This report is broken down by quiz and the question answers you have under each quiz. SQB also has full-fledged built-in Facebook pixel tracking, page view, landing CTA clicked, lead form submitted, result CTA clicked. You can also track how many people viewed the question, how many people picked a specific answer, and you can use that information to create custom conversions in Facebook. You can track specific actions using events. You can create Facebook custom audiences and retargeting campaigns based on the questions viewed, based on the selected answers and the quiz results. And that's not it. You can also use SQB to create a blocking quiz. If you want to prevent your users from continuing to the next lesson in your course until they pass the quiz, you can do it using SmartQuizBuilder and digitalaccesspass.com. DAP is a membership plugin for WordPress. It comes with a built-in learning management system. You can also allow them to retake the quiz. And these are just a few of the features. SQB is just loaded with features, each designed to help you quickly and easily build visually stunning and engaging quizzes. SQB-powered quizzes will help you understand what your audience is struggling with, what are their challenges, where are they at in their journey, and you can use their answers to add them to the right segment in order to serve them the way they want to be served. There are so many benefits of using quizzes, of using surveys. Whether you want people to sign up for your newsletter, purchase your product, read your blog, watch your sales video, join your Facebook group, share your content on social, you can do it all using quizzes powered by SmartQuizBuilder. SQB is just going to keep getting better and better. It's an investment that I'm sure you will be glad you made for your business for years to come because it will result in instant positive impact. Go ahead, click on the buy button below to get started. My name is Veena Prashant. I'm the creator of SmartQuizBuilder. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the other side. Bye for now.